Prepare to have your minds blown by the most incredible camping gear you've ever laid eyes on. We're about to show you how to camp like a tech-savvy boss. We've got the gear that'll make other campers green with envy. So strap in, hold on to your tent stakes, and get ready for a mind-bending tour of the coolest outdoor tech this side of the galaxy. First up, we have the Aison E Wagon, the world's first electric utility wagon. This smart wagon features flow-stride technology, combining brushless DC motors and motion sensors to give you a power boost on various terrains. Imagine effortlessly carrying a 200-pound load uphill. It'll feel lighter than 10 pounds. The E-Wagon even has hill descent control, so you can cruise downhill without straining your legs. With its foldable design, all-terrain wheels, and a capacity of up to 200 pounds, this is the ultimate camping companion. Next, let's look at the Goo T5 vacuum-insulated bottle. This isn't your average water bottle, folks. The ergonomic T-handle offers exceptional comfort and versatile attachment options. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day out, this bottle keeps your beverages cold for 32 hours or hot for 18 hours. Made of kitchen-grade stainless steel, it's 100% BPA-free and built to last. Now here's something truly unique, the Yas Smart Q5 rechargeable magnetic flashlight. Forget twisting or clicking to turn on your light. With the Q5's pop-to-light feature, you get instant brilliance at a moment's notice. Just pull it off your keychain, and it's on. This compact powerhouse boasts magnetic wireless charging and a powerful 130 lumen beam from its high-quality CRE XPG3. At just 5.1 centimeter in length, it's the perfect blend of portability and illumination. Ditch the bulky compass Buggie Mini, ultra-portable and ready for adventure with its 360-degree floating dial. Thanks to its smash-proof design, it's waterproof, sandproof, and even car-proof. Whether scaling mountains or exploring hidden beaches, this compass can handle anything you throw at it. Despite its compact size, the Buggie Mini delivers powerful navigation with dual reading for quick checks or in-depth planning. Now, let's talk about the Citymans Endo Hitch, a revolutionary trailer hitch that's changing the game. Say goodbye to noisy, cumbersome installations. This innovative hitch boasts tool-free installation, a built-in lock, and a no-rattling feature. With just a twist, you can secure your trailer in 3 easy steps. The Endo hitch can tow up to 10,000 lbs gross trailer weight and features a weather-resistant finish that protects against rust and corrosion. It's perfect for all your outdoor adventures, from camping to boating. For those who appreciate precision and portability, we have the WaspArmor blade. This titanium scalpel knife is the world's smallest and lightest folding knife. No longer than your index finger and lighter than an A4 sheet, it's the ultimate everyday carry tool. Despite its size, it's a powerhouse, delivering precise cuts effortlessly. With its interchangeable surgical blade and secure locking mechanism, it's ready for anything from daily use to outdoor adventures. Next up is the Jackfish Survival Credit Card Holder. This indestructible, super slim card holder is packed with essential everyday tools. At just 8.5 millimeter thick, it can hold up to 4 credit cards while containing handy equipment for your daily needs or survival situations. From taking notes with the built-in pen to lighting a fire in wet conditions, Jackfish has you covered. For the ultimate outdoor cooking experience, check out the Iuka camping surfboard table with gas stove and lamp holder. This portable folding table is more compact, lighter, and easier to set up than other folding tables on the market. With adjustable height, a removable gas stove, and a hollowed-out panel for water drainage, it's perfect for camping meals or just enjoying nature with a cup of coffee. Organization enthusiasts will love the System Aluminum Container Camping Box. This customizable box can be utilized as a storage container and expanded table. With 11 different custom parts available, including front panels, side grips, and extension tables, you can create your own original setup. It's stackable, easy to handle, and perfect for outdoor lovers, campers, and sports enthusiasts. For those who want it all in one package, there's the One, an all-in-one camping gear solution. This highly integrated electronic outdoor gear combines a camping kitchen, heater, lighting system, and an emergency toolkit. It can boil water, preserve heat, cool, stew, grill, and even repel insects. With its adjustable stand and multifunction capabilities, it's the ultimate companion for any outdoor scenario. For the organized adventurer, we present the Vault 2.0 Modular EDC Bag. Available in 3 sizes, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul. This bag system offers unparalleled organization for your everyday carry items. The Max Haul can accommodate up to 120 plus items when expanded. For the Flex Pro, the adaptable mid-size master for first aid, tools, or tactical gear, conquering any situation. While the Mini Light attaches easily to your bag or belt for quick access to essentials. Water enthusiasts will appreciate the Submerge waterproof wallet and card holder. Perfect for holding keys, cash, and credit cards, this lightweight accessory is 100% waterproof up to a depth of 3 meters. Wear it while swimming, surfing, or traveling the world without worry. For car campers, the Mini B Car Camper Box is a game changer. This compact camping box transforms your car into a comfortable mini camper. It's so compact you can even take it on a plane. With versatile functionality, it can convert your vehicle's rear space into a bed, seating arrangement, or dining setup. Next, we have the Buddie Power Bank with interchangeable battery and tools. This nifty little device features a snap-and-swap modular design, allowing you to easily attach different tools to the power bank. With its 5,000 mAh capacity, 20 watts fast charging, and bright camping light, it's perfect for outdoor activities, travel, and emergencies. Meet the ultimate 3-in-1 travel accessory. Giga's keychain-sized pump rapidly inflates air mattresses, inflatable pool toys in seconds, and sporting equipment using compact battery power. It also vacuums storage bags for space savings and doubles as an LED lantern for nighttime mood lighting. Tackle multiple tasks anywhere with this rechargeable lithium-powered compressor. Never pack bulky pumps again. Sleep under the stars in total comfort with TETON's thick foam camp sleeping pad. This portable mattress insulates and cushions for heavenly campground slumber. Bolster your bag's warmth by 10 degrees. Hello, bedtime bliss in the wilderness. Built ready to deliver flickering ambiance anywhere friends gather, Ignik's freestanding stainless steel fire can creates an instant campfire atmosphere at a moment's notice. It is easy to use. Simply connect the included 5-foot hose to standard propane tanks, strike the ignition, dial in your ideal heat level, and let the conversation around dancing flames unfold. The mesh sides of the fire can create a mesmerizing 360-degree light show, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the flickering ambiance. The locking lid makes it easy to transport the fire can to your next gathering, whether it's a picturesque sunset or a late-night get-together. Let there be light, adventure crew. The Barebones Edison light stick brings illumination and ambiance to the great outdoors. 7 lighting modes, from reading lamp to mood lighting, powered by a rechargeable battery or USB for 40-plus hours of off-grid glow. With flashlight and rope lantern options, this collector's item light stick energizes any campsite or backyard. It feels solid and packs a stylish punch. Light up your next adventure in luxury. Last but not least, we have the Thermarest Space Cowboy sleeping bag. This lightweight marvel is perfect for hassle-free summer warmth. It uses Aeroloft insulation with hollow fibers to trap air and boost warmth without added weight. The shell and liner are made of 100% recycled nylon, making it both durable and eco-friendly. Its unique Synergy Link connectors integrate easily with your sleeping pad for optimal comfort and thermal efficiency. From innovative hitches to modular power banks, waterproof wallets, and car camping solutions, these products enhance your outdoor experience and make your adventures more comfortable and enjoyable. Don't forget to share your favorite gear items in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more camping gear guides. Thanks for watching.